Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to unbox the package that I have received from Himalayan Organics. So I'm going to show you what all I have got. So let's get started. So Himalayan Organics have different type of products like biotin drops, they have vitamin tablets, they have multivitamin and probiotic tablets, they have omega-3 capsules. So I decided to go with two of their very effective products. So one of which is let me show you. One of which is omega-3 capsules and then the other one is the multivitamin with probiotics. Okay. So I'm going to show you one by one what all these capsules are. So let's get started with the vegan omega-3 capsules. So these capsules are good for boosting your muscle recovery. They support the bone health and they maintain healthy heart, and also they are very good for your skin's health. So basically you need to take like two capsules regularly, like each one after maybe lunch and dinner, or you can check with your professional health care, maybe some doctors. If somebody you are aware of, you can talk to them and discuss like what time you should have the omega-3 capsules. But most of the times, omega-3 capsules are pretty friendly. You can have them whenever you wish to. So look at these tablets, they are so cute actually, they are so pretty. Let me give you a very close up of these capsules so I can see the oil in it. And yeah, as I told, we need to have two per day. Now the next one is this multivitamin with probiotics, and this is, this helps, boosting energy, and this is really good for your digestion. It supports again the strength, the strength to your bones. But the main thing which attracted me was it promotes the gut health. Okay, so gut health is really important. If your gut is healthy, remaining everything will be fine. So this, I think you can take only one tablet regularly with water, and it's preferred to be taken after the meals, or maybe as I said earlier, you can check with your doctor or any professional health care like nutritionist and all. You can talk to them, and then you can decide a time which is well suited for you. So let me show you how these tablets look. So they look a little brownish and a little weird to me, but it's all for good health, so it's fine, we can have them. Now let's talk about the most important thing. Okay, so when you go for these kind of supplements, right, most of them do not mention what are used in these and what are not used in this. So but these products do not have any gluten, they are gluten free, they don't have any milk products, they don't have eggs, fish, shellfish, meat or whatsoever, and they don't have the nuts and peanuts as well. Okay, so because most of the people are allergic, right, so um, they need not worry about that kind of things. You can, but still definitely you can check the description uh, of each bottle. They will clearly mention what all is there and what is not there in it. Okay, so thanks so much for watching this video. I will see you in my upcoming videos. Till then, take care and bye.